Hi guys, welcome to another video. Today we're sorting out the airflow on the track car. So we're, filter, ducting, brake coolant and speed holes in the back bumper. So I hope you enjoy it. Right guys, I just got the airbox out at great peril. Tried to get the headlight out to let me get into it, couldn't get it. So I took the battery out in the battery case and I got it eventually. So here it is. Now it's glory. So there's my Crocs here. So run the lines for here, through here and up into here. So here we've got brake coolant on the far left, in the middle is airflow, and then on the right is airflow as well. What I'm doing here guys is I'm drilling the back bumper with my hole saw so that when the air comes in through the front of the car, the bodywork, any wee crevice, that it doesn't get trapped in the bumper. So by creating these holes, some people call them speed holes, the air comes through the front, travels through the car and goes out the back of the car.